I'm not jumping though.
No, that's fine.
I'd like slide and slip and fall and die, and that would not be fun. Break something. It's been years since I've been on a swing. You know, for a turtle, you move quite fast.
Tucker, we just get you on camera taking a poop?
Hey everybody, we are in Door County. We are about to go to Cave Point, and as you can see, it snowed. So Chris is trying to get all the snow off the car. It's kind of cold. It's like 28 degrees. I did not bring the right shoes. I tried to pack light, not bring as much crap, and in doing so, did not pack snow boots. So I have boots, but it's they're not exactly waterproof, so we'll see how it goes at Cave Point. But we're excited to go see how pretty it is.
I'm gonna laugh if it catches all the grumbling.
What?
If it catches all your grumbling with the microphone.
Yeah. As I'm back here going, I'm a toddler. I think I need help.
I don't think I was recording then.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I totally should have brought my snow boots.
Right?
Dang it. The one time I try and pack light and we actually get snow. It hasn't snowed pretty much all year. Jeez.
Good.
Yeah.
Ooh. Hey everybody, we're back, kind of, and not camping, just a little day trip for us. We are at Cave Point County Park in Door County. Just got done snowing this morning. I'd say we got about 3 inches, maybe 3 to 5 in spots. So figured we'd come over here, see what the ice looks like.
It's good to see you. Snow off the top of my toes. I hate the cold, but the icicles, they're so pretty.
Yes, they are.
careful.
I had to switch what pocket my hand was in, or which hand was in my pocket. There are gloves in the car.
I was gonna say, I think I have my gloves in the car, and that one I know fits you because it's massive. Did you lock the car?
I honestly don't remember. I was going to ask you the same thing,
I didn't.
but I thought about it when the video was going, and I mean, it's going now, so.
Did you lock it?
Yeah.
Okay,
Go down there and that. No, don't want to.
I don't think it's too much for that spot. Over here, it's better.
Closer to the edge.
Huh? Are you scared?
No.
And this is the stuff people jump into
Right.
in the summer. This is where they jump. One day, 1 year,
We'll jump.
I want to do it. I want to jump. I've never done it, but I want to. But not today.
Nope.
What is that happen? Look at that just shelf of ice.
Right? It's got to be at least a foot, foot and a half thick in places.
Oh, yeah, minimum. That's new. I wonder who's filming.
And a wandering we will go. I don't know.
Nope, that's too wet.
Did you say too wet?
Yep.
All right.
I'll go down the side. I know this is all rock, so I know it's safe. You just can't see.
Yeah, it's a little iffy. You don't want to land wrong if you hop down. That's the
Right.
problem.
Yeah.
Probably not quite catching the color of the ice over there, but right there, in person, those chunks of ice look blue. Uh-oh, just trying to come back up now. Maybe. Nope. Watching the waves. The big pond. Definitely miss the sound of the water. Being extra ginger with this camera is nowhere near as... I was talking to the camera. That's right. Nowhere near as durable as a GoPro. Definitely afraid of chucking this one. I have to say I'm very surprised that the other people out here, except for the construction workers, were all of a certain age.
Yeah.
I suppose.
Well, it is a Monday.
I was going to say it is Monday morning.
Probably looking at us going, what in the hell are these kids doing out on a Monday afternoon?
Well, big error, guys. Our microphones were not connected. So, the audio is going to be crap for the video you just saw. Lesson learned.
I mean, we know for the rest of the day,
Yes.
but yeah. New camera, first time taking it out, first time using it, so.
Now we know.
Yep.
Let's hope we don't run into this again.
Yeah. Look at how pretty it is outside. Now that we're in the nice warm car. It's gorgeous. Ooh.
There, now you can hear us.
Hmm?
Problem solved, right?
Right? Oh man, I have my mittens on and I have a hair in my mouth. Can you get it? I just licked your hand. That was gross.
Well, I thought that's what you wanted.
No, I wanted you to try and
Oh, sorry.
pick the hair off my tongue.
Oops.
It's okay.
I guess maybe we could have driven down here further, but I don't
Can
know
you?
if there's really a place to turn around.
Yeah, this snow's deep.
Yes, it is. We'll see if it was worth the 25-30 minute drive.
To walk down this little thing?
Yep. I mean, you really don't want to walk on the beach.
No.
It's quiet.
Yeah, it is. So do you think that, like, there's water under us? Or is there, like, sand under us?
I think it's water.
That's what I'm
Oh,
thinking.
maybe not. Not much further. Because right over here is grass.
Yeah.
I don't know if it was worth the drive.
It's pretty.
It is pretty.
You want to swing?
No, I don't want to get stuck in a swing.
You don't want to get, I didn't say in the toddler swing.
Oh. All in the name of content.
What? No. I'm not jumping though.
No, that's fine.
I'd like slide and slip and fall and die, and that would not be fun. Break something. It's been years since I've been on a swing.